Today we will take up the comprehension part of chapter 9, that is the shoes of my sensei. Why was the author glad to hear from his sensei? The author was glad to hear from his sensei because after a long time he had written a letter to him from the detention camp. What is a colonial rule? A colonial rule is the British rule which occupied some Asian and African countries. Why was the author worried on receiving a letter from his teacher? The author was worried on receiving a letter from his teacher because his teacher had demanded a pair of shoes which he had earlier given to the author, and secondly he was in a detention camp, so the author was worried that he would now be traced by the army and they would keep a watch on how he responded to the letter. Why did the sensei give his shoes to the author and then want them back? Sensei had given his shoes to the author because he did not require a new pair of shoes and would do with his old ones in the detention camp. And then he wanted them back because his old shoes had torn apart and he needed them back. Where did the sensei teach before coming to Singapore? Sensei had been teaching back home in Japan before coming to Singapore. What do you think were his reasons for coming to Singapore? The reasons may be that he had been taken a refugee or he had been compelled by the army to join the army. How was the sensei different from other Heitisen? He was different from the other soldiers because he was not arrogant like them. He would come out to help them and he did not consider them to be dirt. How did the sensei become a hero for the writer? Sensei became a hero for the writer when once the writer's friend's father was taken as a prisoner for trampling the Japanese flag in a drunk state. His sensei had stood up for the student and his father. That is why he got so much impressed that he became a hero in his eyes. What reasons does the author give for not visiting his teacher in the detention camp? The reasons the author gave for not visiting his teacher in the detention camp were that he was studying hard for his exams, he had no time, he had sold away the sensei's shoes which he was demanding, and then he had no transportation to come to the camp. Were these reasons ill-founded? All these reasons were a pile of lies. Actually, he had not sold the shoes, but he was afraid that he might be detected for his response to the letter. He would have to write down all his details in the register and then he would be blacklisted by them. What feeling did the sight of an old man, white hair and dragging a useless food arouse in the writer? The sight of a stranger, an old man with white hair and dragging a useless foot aroused in the writer's mind the feeling that his teacher might also be in the same condition, wanting the new pair of shoes which he had demanded in his letter. So he was reminded of his teacher. Why did the sensei refuse to be warm towards the author when he went to give him the shoes? The sensei refused to be warm towards the author when he went to give him the shoes because he was very depressed at the letter which he had received from his pupil, the author, telling a bundle of lies, and he needed him, but his student did not turn up to help him. Finally, what broke the barrier between the student and the teacher? The barrier between the student and the teacher was broken up by the well-known farewell Japanese student song sung by the students to the teachers upon graduation. The song which is sung with whole heart and its moving lyrics like how much I owe to my teachers, how much I owe to them, how fast the days, how swift the days, how quickly they flew by, how I will miss the days I spent here, how I will miss the life here. So this song, which was intense, broke the barrier between the student and the teacher. Why does the author say in the end, I might still be able to fit into my sensei's shoes? The author said at the end that he might still be able to fit into his sensei's shoes because he was learning the values he had taught and he was growing as he was developing his character to become like him, full of love and compassion for others. Now, coming to the next part, that is the comprehension part, we will see match the words in following A with their meanings in column B. Repatriated means to defeat and place under control. Detained means to held back. Blacklisted means famous for wrong thing. Torrent means powerful flow. Arrogant means proud and conceited. Collaborated means worked together. Notorious means difficult, frightening. Subjugation means to send back. Haggard means tired, and formidable means discipline.